In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore deleted items in ClickUp. If you've ever accidentally deleted a task, list, or folder, don't worry. ClickUp has a built-in trash area that gives you a second chance. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through exactly where to click and what to look out for, so you can get those items back quickly and confidently. First, make sure you're logged into your ClickUp workspace and looking at the main interface. To start, move your cursor to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile picture or avatar. This is the small icon that usually shows your initials or a photo. Clicking it will open a drop-down menu with several account and workspace options. From that drop-down menu, look for the option labeled Trash. This is where ClickUp temporarily stores items that have been deleted. Go ahead and click on Trash to open it. Think of this area as a safety net. It's where you can review what's been removed before it's gone for good. Once the trash view is open, you'll see a list of deleted items from your workspace. These might include tasks, lists, folders, and other elements. You can scroll through the list to browse, or, if you know the name of what you're looking for, use the search bar at the top to find it faster. Keep in mind that deleted items typically stay in the trash for about 30 days, so if something was deleted a while ago, it may no longer be available. After you've located the item you want to bring back, move your cursor to the right-hand side of that item. You'll see a small icon with 3 dots, often called the ellipsis. Click on those 3 dots to open a context menu with actions you can take on that deleted item. In that menu, select the option that says Restore. Once you click Restore, ClickUp will recover the item and place it back in its original location in your workspace. That means tasks will return to their previous list, and lists or folders will go back to where they were before deletion. If you don't immediately see the item, give the page a moment to refresh or navigate back to the space or list where it originally lived. And that's it. By following these steps, you can easily recover accidentally deleted items in ClickUp and keep your workflow running smoothly.